Porter fatally stabbed allegedly by a woman in St. Andrew. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police are searching for a woman following an alleged domestic dispute which resulted in the stabbing death of a porter in Papine, St. Andrew on Friday. The deceased has been identified as 36-year-old Karen Henry of Hope Flats in Kentire, St. Andrew. Reports from the police are that at about 3:30 p.m., Henry and the woman who is said to be his common-law wife were at premises when a dispute developed between them. During the altercation, Henry was allegedly stabbed by the woman. He was taken to a hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The police have so far commenced a probe into the matter. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.